SpeedMask maskants provide superior protection of orthopedic implants, surgical instruments, and medical devices during aggressive surface finishing. The maskants are easily dispensed through manual or automated processes and require no heating or preparation before application onto components. The thixotropic nature of SpeedMask materials allows beads or coated surfaces to hold their profile on both vertical and horizontal surfaces, with no slumping prior to cure. This makes them ideal for masking complex parts where other masking methods may fail. After the maskants are applied, the coated parts are moved onto the curing process. Curing occurs in less than a minute upon exposure to UV visible light and is done in process, saving both time and floor space. Once the maskants are cured, parts are immediately ready for the next step in the manufacturing process, without the need for racking or drying time. After processing and proper cure, the maskants can be removed by incineration or peeling, leaving no residue behind. SpeedMask maskants are available in a variety of high visibility colors for accurate material dispense onto components. Some products are formulated with Dymax patented C-Cure color change technology, which enables easy visual cure confirmation without the need for specialized equipment. To learn more about Dymax SpeedMask masking solutions for medical applications, contact Dymax Application Engineering.